Welcome back to the channel, guys. Roshain more reviews. We're on Worthington Avenue, another new development. You know, it's the Discover bus, you know, showing you guys all the development happening in Kingston and around Jamaica. So it's Worthington Avenue, Kingston 5. Not sure what this development is as yet, but if you guys know what's happening, if you guys know what's happening here or what this development is, definitely share in the comments. So it's in the early stages. It looks probably like a plaza. I don't think it's an apartment complex. And it's 6 Worthington Avenue. So if you guys know what's happening here, definitely let me know. I'm literally driving past and I saw it, so I just stopped to give you guys a quick overview. So 6 Worthington Avenue. Alright guys, just a quick update. So definitely leave your comments. Let me know what you think about this construction. Definitely like and share as well. And see you on that next video.